Okay, continue.
Can I give you a kiss?
Leave me pick me alone.
What is wrong with you? You're jealous.
What is this?
I'm full of jealousy.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Can't dance for you guys, I'm sitting down in the car today. How are you guys doing? We are in these streets. We're on the road, heading to do a little supermarket shopping today. We recovered from last night. Last night was so good, recovered, we slept in a bit. Please, Mama, forget your candy. Okay, I promised her I was gonna give her candy and I forget. Anyway, guys, we're on the road heading to the supermarket to pick up a few little knickknacks that we need. Supermarket will be bare minimum today, but we gotta do what we gotta do because you know vacation's coming up, girl, and we need to get a few things before we go. So. The fire truck. So anyway, you guys, stick and stay to see what today's vlog will be all about and what we'll have to show you guys throughout the day. Should be a pretty active day, so let's see. Hope you guys are doing well and is having a good day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching. And say good morning, fam, bam. Hey you, driver. Driver focusing, driver don't have no time for me right now. Driver, don't stop at all but say good morning. Speak now. Morning. I need to adjust this lighting. Hold on, this don't look right. There we go, driver. Say morning, Tyler. Are your son so daddy? Say walk on my yacht. No sir. Sarah say walk one. Hey, say morning faves.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Ty.
It's because I didn't sleep a lot. I only sleep 9 hours.
Tyler is not a lion today. Tyler is a little cat.
He said he didn't sleep a lot. He only sleep 9 hours. Did you guys hear what he just said? He didn't sleep a lot. He only sleep 9 hours. So he doesn't consider 9 hours of sleep a lot. How about us parents who only get 3 and 4 hours sometimes? He doesn't have a clue that 9 hours of sleep is pure luxury. Luxury. You better take that back. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna give my kids candy and head into the supermarket. So catch you guys later. Good job, princess. Supermarket not looking too busy today. Going through, doing what we do. You want pork? The pork. That's okay. Alright, no egg.
Voila, bravo.
It's time for the
Supermarket haul! Supermarket haul!
our last supermarket haul before vacation. And when I tell you guys that,
Mama!
hold on. Hold on. Yes, but don't shout. we'll still do supermarket haul when we're on vacation.
But the final of before vacation.
Yes, it's the final one before vacation. You're right.
I'm going to read the final.
Alright, we'll see. So let's get right to it. Come on, let's go. Take your bag.
You remind me what you did last week.
Come, let's go. You guys see your babe tear out the case of milk?
Where she put the case, where she put it.
Okay.
Just give me the blame today.
I don't
Just
care
give me
what
the blame.
Papa
That's-
does.
I'll take the blame.
You put the milk in the wrong thing.
Alright, we have some crepe. but
Why
this
you in
is,
Tyler bag?
Bag.
Why you in
Why are
Tyler
you cutting me?
Why you in Tyler bag?
Why are you so
Someone
much?
Happy biscuits.
Oh, shit.
Can I pretty for Sarah?
Tyler?
Why are you?
Happy birthday.
Okay, this is getting a little bit out of control.
Happy
Calm down
birthday,
and do the hard back.
biscuit.
Alright, let's see what we
Mama,
have.
happy birthday, biscuit.
Good job. What's this? Watermelon. Good job.
Sarah?
Mama, Sarah, not so.
Yes, Sarah. Sarah, but little yogurt she can't do without yogurt.
You know we don't do it.
When we travel, we're gonna have to go get her some yogurt. That would be a must.
You want biscuits? Wait.
We have also C-A-N-D-Y. Like that.
Yeah.
But I don't
But it's for the flight. It's not
Mama, and I
You want
don't
popcorn?
this word because I don't this is a word because Sarah will want some.
Right. We know what to do around here. Mama, sue me. No, I don't. If you guys ever hear what babe just said, I won't tell you. He's rude. You want popcorn?
Popcorn.
Mama will put one in the
I
microwave
have
one
some
tight,
fish
okay?
for the freezing.
Alright, let's do the haul so Sarah and Tai can get popcorn. I bought a rotisserie chicken because we need to have one right now. Tyler, let's go. Soap for the dishwasher. You can't go on your flight without TikTok mint.
You can't go on a date without TikTok me. That's really what she was about to
Happy
say.
birthday is pretzel.
We had some meat, barbecue, probably go
What's
on
this, Sarah?
over the weekend.
Chicken.
Good job.
Mama, why is bread is
You soon get popcorn. Mama, I'm gonna put it in the microwave, okay?
Okay.
Why it's smashed? I don't know.
If you ever see what he did, he's too funny. Like,
Popcorn?
no, he did this.
We have the mouchoir.
Mouchoir to clean baby mouth when he talk BS.
Cereal bar.
We have one to make her drink when she talk BS. So
And he love when I drink wine. Just so you know. Him have peace. Him definitely have peace when I drink wine.
Butter biscuit.
Yes. You want popcorn? Okay, Mama gonna put the popcorn for you.
as we have here, we have oasis. Good oasis.
Buy your
We
biscuit.
have some.
Very good. Why you guys not showing Sarah the stuff?
What
Sarah?
is this, Sarah? Biscuit.
Good job.
Chocolate milk.
Do you like chocolate milk?
Okay, 2 bags
Love
is
chocolate
finished.
milk, right? Can I give you a
Okay,
kiss?
continue.
Can I give you a kiss?
Leave me pick me alone.
What is wrong with you? You're jealous.
What is this?
I'm full of jealousy.
It's lettuce.
I can give you one to your big chicken.
Mama, fucker.
Thank you.
You just have to
Look, the popcorn is in there. Look, see Tyler want a kiss too, just so you know.
want a kiss too? No, I give you a kiss.
No, I give you a kiss.
Oil for the kids here. I love the smell of this oil. It smells really good.
C'est quoi ça?
Watch your food, Sarah.
C'est quoi ça?
What is this? Good job.
Hey.
The popcorn soon be ready. What is this? Soap.
We took some extra juice because, well, for specific reason. And
That you
also,
know
whenever we
soon.
come back from vacation,
Things
we
can be in the house.
can stay in the fridge and we can just don't have to worry about that.
Sarah, listen to the popcorn. You hear it? Juice, tell your man finish. Why?
We have pasta.
My ears. Oh my god, from this one is that loud. Juice for the kiddos.
Pika pika.
Travel perfection juice.
Bang.
Yes, bye. More juice and juice and juice and juice.
Spinach. I said spinach.
Sarah, what is that?
Sponge.
You said spinach instead of sponge.
Yeah.
Tell us call it sponge spinach.
Yeah, you can have that for dinner.
Pokemon.
We have oil and we have
Pokemon
Gum
toothbrush.
for the flight.
Pokemon
Soy stock.
toothbrush.
Listerine.
Pokemon toothbrush.
orange juice.
More juice. After everything, I hear juice. Juice, juice, juice. Oh! Oh!
Juice.
Oh!
juice,
What's
juice.
this?
Juice,
It's not juice, it's water.
So what's the
Coconut
difference
water.
between juice and water? Coconut water. It's the same thing. It's similar.
Mama.
Guys, can you please tell me
Ice
it's not the
cream
same thing?
school.
Oh, she just show you two, but no, she have more than two. Huh?
Ice cream school.
We have mac and cheese. I don't know where this brand come from. It's called Mississippi.
Mama,
brand.
ice cream school.
You know, you have
Yes,
mac and
ice
cheese,
cream.
Mississippi. I'm sure it's not
Here.
Yeah, don't.
from where it's
Here.
supposed
Here's
to
my
be.
blessing one.
Oh, made in USA. Okay.
Well, here in Mississippi.
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 Papa Chuck.
Oh, we have an ice cream scoop because the kids love ice cream and we always kind of take it with the regular and then we have to walk to make it in a cone. So now we have to make it easy for us. I don't know why she took this time.
Wait, popcorn is hot, hot. Honey, hurry, so we can do the rock, paper, scissors, and let's start get our popcorn.
Do that. I'll give you the holder.
No, they already see everything what's in the bag. It's doubles. Okay, rock, paper, scissors time. Ready?
Ready?
Wait, let me take these down from beside you. Come, Tyler, Tyler. Tyler, it's the last one before vacation time. You cannot let Papa beat you. Not today. We are not accepting losing. Come on, let's go.
If you lose,
Rock,
then you won't
paper,
matter.
scissors, shoot. Who get that?
Me, come on.
One, babe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two, Papa. Papa gonna win again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One, Tyler. Come on, Ty. No, Sarah, wait.
She's too early today.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two, Ty. Come on, Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You did
Yes!
You did really good. From
I get you.
zero, come
I
on
get
to
you.
two.
I get you. I kick your ass. I kick your ass. Kick your ass. Kick your ass. Kick your ass.
Boo! Sarah say boo. Boo!
Where's my con? Where's my con tonight?
Boo!
Where's my con? That's my con. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Okay, Ty, finish now. We're not celebrating, babe. If it was somebody else, we would celebrate them, but we're not celebrating, babe. In him St. Martin shirt. Okay, popcorn, please, Mama. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of our chaos in this chaotic house. You guys better cheer for him, you know, because we ain't.
And she's just so weak because she sent every time Tyler to lose. She can't even take the lose.
So you want me to play with you? Because you know I'm going to kick your butt. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to give my kids popcorn. Yes, please. I'm going to give my kids popcorn. Why is my
Okay, Mama. There.
I'm going to give my kids popcorn and go have lunch. I'm going to make lunch for myself because he's going to have to make his own. That's his punishment. That's his punishment for winning.
Yes, that's your punishment.
Sarah, look at Sarah. Sarah, you going to jump? Okay, jump. Yay! Sarah, go back in the water. You're cold. She's going to jump again.
Champion of jump.
Yes, she is. Look at her. Jump, Sarah. 1, 2, 3. Him. All right, Ty. Go, Ty. Focus. Don't focus on me. Can't my boy go without no jacket?
You know how you swim? You swim like a water polo.
Ah.
With the head out of the water.
With the head out of the water.
So because he did that,
Hi, you guys. You guys went to the pool, got back, and jumped right into the kitchen, making din din for the fam bam. And I'm doing a quick fix today. I'm doing cabbage and corned beef and rice.